Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about Python, how to modify strings in Python. So what we will discuss, how to modify the strings in Python. So as you know, this is my idle. Just create a file here, create a new file and press Ctrl S and go to documents and go to the Python programs, and here you can save with modify strings.py and save it. And here, so here what I will write is, I will declare a string. For example, and write the any value, any variable. For example, take value. Value is equal to I am Iron Man. So I have written like this, right? I have written like this. So I want to convert these whole things into capital. Like I want to convert this whole thing into like uppercase. So I want to convert all the characters in this string to the uppercase. So how can I do it? So just have to print value dot upper. Yeah, value dot upper. Yeah, just save it like this. Click on OK. See, all the things have gone to upper. All the things have gone to uppercase. So uppercase. So you can see the uppercase characters. So see here, it is a smaller case, right? Here you are having AM is a smaller case, RONMAN is also a smaller case. So now I have converted the all the things into the uppercase. So now I want to convert all the things into the lowercase, including this I. You see this I is capital and this I is also capital, right? So including that I want to convert them into the lowercase. So how can you do it? Just you have to write value dot lower. So why I'm writing value? Because I have declared this variable name, right? So whatever the variable name which you declare here, you have to specify that variable name. That's it. Dot lower. It will convert the all the things into the lower. That's it. Simple. Just click on effect and click on OK. See, all the things are converted into the small case, including this capital I also, right? So in this way, we can modify the strings. We can modify the strings. And for example, if we have a space like this, if we have some space like this, to remove this space, we will use the strip function. We will use the strip function. So value dot strip 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 function to remove that space. To remove that space, just click on save and OK. See this. See here, we got some space here, right? For the first one, second one, we got some space. But third one, you cannot find any space, right? Why? Because we are using the strip function. We are using the strip function. But the first printing and second printing, what we have printed, we did not use any strip function, right? So that's why it is showing as it is a space. See here, this is a space. This is the space. So this is how we can use the strip function. And we are having a split function. We are having a split function. So how can you split? So print value dot split. So by using you have to specify in the sentence which which characters are you deciding, like which character that you choose, that you can separate this string. So you have to specify, like you have to specify some character in that string to divide it two words, like to divide the sentence into the two words. So I want to choose this comma as the splitting. So that I can get the I am as one word, Iron Man as one word. So just I'll split this thing and I'll close the bracket and click on this thing and click on F5 and click on OK. See, I got I am as one thing, Iron Man as one thing. So this is how you can use the split function. And you can use the value dot, you can replace a character. You can replace a character. So how replace I with I will replace yeah, I with so I with O. So I will replace I with O. So let's save it and click on OK. Okay, we have to close the, like we have to close one bracket. Okay, click on OK, click on OK. See, all I characters are changed into the O. All I characters are changed into the O. See here, I have changed it this I character into the O character. You can see here, O. So this is how these are the modifications we can implement on strings in Python. So these are the 5 inbuilt functions which are present in Python. So we can use these functions whenever we got necessary requirement in any project. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.